Mining in this canyon dates back to the 1870s when the Exchequer and the Star mines were discovered. And I probably said Exchequer wrong. The first major boom came in the early 1880s when rich ore was found again, and both the Exchequer and the Star became major operations. But like with most booms in this area, it didn't last, and by the mid-1880s, the district had declined again, following a large financial crash. Then in the early 1900s, the Exchequer was reportedly described in newspapers as a mine being reopened. They started draining because the water table's pretty high here. The old newspaper reports mentioned water several times. They described the lower workings being underwater, plans to drain VI connections to the Imperial mine, and the efforts to return the property to production. And from all the reports that I was able to find, they basically have been fighting water the entire time that these mines were in operation. You can see something way up there too. I don't think I'm going to have time to explore this entire site. Currently, right now, there is an active mine company who owns most of the claims and patented property in this area. Core sample room. I'm not going in, it stinks. If you want to see a full history that is much deeper than what I just covered in this video, I included it in a detailed timeline with newspaper clippings and field notes over at Patreon. It's pretty modern. Nice cemented collar. It does go down a little ways. Okay, you can see more of they cut it to gain access this way, but it used to go up to there. It's probably one that was owned by the mining company. Now, when the ore came up, where is it? There it is. Look how big that pipe is. That's massive. Oh, there used to be a tunnel. Ah, darn it, it's all collapsed. Or they collapsed it. Let's see what's over here. This stuff is not fun to walk on, by the way. Oh, wow. see. Alrighty. Well, nothing. So this used to be a tunnel. It might have been connected to the shaft at one point. Who knows? Well, I'm going to keep looking around. That's where the shaft and the collapsed tunnel was. I came up here looking before I started filming. See all this green. That's the main tunnel, or adit. That right there is a utility. I want to be careful here. These plants are nettle. And granted, I'm wearing long pants, but they will embed into the fabric. Sad that I can't explore that. It's flooded. That yellow thing, it's air ventilation. Okay, metal. That's the other reason why I'm definitely wearing gloves. I don't know how far back this utility tunnel goes. All right. It's secure, but I'm going to turn off the camera while I climb this. So with this airline, they might have had it vibrating because they used some insulation to kind of secure it. Like how they carved up the door. This big hunk of PVC would have sat up here. I wonder what building they got this off of. Oh, light. They were using this as a cistern. They were storing water in here. See right there, there's a peacock. Okay, so that wasn't an air line, that was actually a water line. And this was filling it. Rat's nest. Sorry about the wonderful view. Now that's cool that they were using this for water storage. I thought it was a utility tunnel. Yeah, you can see the water line. I have never seen that. Oh. Door. Instant brake. Look at the calcite. Oh, I just messed it up. But it's like a salt. Here, check it out. See? My battery died and I had to change it. I saw graffiti. Okay, so there's some track. Well, that's the end. Oh, look, older bottle. Neat. Copper wire. This, damn it, didn't want to break it. This right here is blasting caps. This is the tin that they came in. But it was so fragile and I dropped it. Now, this was a quick little explorer into the mines in this canyon. I saw a drip. Oh, right there. Yeah. And it's just really cool that this was an old tunnel and they used it for a cistern for the new mine, the new tunnel. That is just so cool. Honestly, I can't wait to get out of here. I want to stand up so bad. I'm like hunched over. Okay, so there's the daylight. You see it? In this portion, I feel like Quasimodo. I'm hunched over and leaning to my right. Or is that Igor that leaned to his right? I can't remember which one leaned their right. But with that, I'm going to copy out of this video. I know it was short, but if you guys get yourself excited to do some exploring on your own, do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now I got to turn this off so I can get over this cement wall.